Hi, this is Daniel. In this video, we will learn about how to install a theme into your WordPress website. First, we will log in into our WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance, Themes. We can use the default themes or we can add new themes. To add new theme, click on the Add New button. Now, you can add the theme of your choice. Let's say we will install Astra theme. To install the theme, we will click on Install Now button and then click on Activate. Now you can see the theme is successfully installed into your WordPress website. Let's go to our site, refresh it. Now we can see the theme is live. In next video, we will learn about how to customize the theme.